Struggling with Magento website design? Today, we'll explore how to customize your store with the Magento 2-page builder demo. Whether you're a newbie or looking to enhance your existing site, this video will help you create stunning pages without needing to code. With Magento 2-page builder demo, you can learn to design and update content effortlessly using its drag-and-drop interface. From images and videos to banners, it lets you arrange everything in just a few clicks. No coding needed. Stay ahead with fresh, engaging content that keeps your site looking top-notch. Here are the top Magento 2-page builder demo highlights. Adobe's demo on Experience League shows how to create stunning pages using simple drag-and-drop tools. Learn to set up layouts, add engaging media, and manage updates with ease. Discover features like instant previews for real-time editing and flexible layouts for a professional finish. Whether you're customizing with extensions or using the open-source version, this demo makes content creation fast and coding-free. Here are the top reasons why a live page builder demo is essential. Adobe's Magento 2-page builder demo offers hands-on learning, showing you how to use drag-and-drop tools in real time. It helps you master the interface layout and find tools quickly, boosting productivity. See how to test features like images and text blocks instantly, create custom layouts with ease, and optimize visual content for an attractive site. Learn about instant previews to catch errors early and save time with pre-made templates. Here are the top use cases and benefits of the Magento 2-page builder demo. Magento 2-page builder demo simplifies content creation with drag-and-drop tools, templates, and content blocks. It helps build customized pages, engaging visuals, and quick updates without coding. Preview changes in real time, manage updates independently, and reduce developer dependency. The demo empowers you to create polished designs and effortlessly adapt to trends. We hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on improving your Magento store's performance.